Hi everyone, welcome to Data Analytics blog, and in this YouTube channel analysis I explore the subscriber trend, video views, video upload, geographical distribution, earning and net, and also I started impactful insights. And this YouTube analysis actually gave me insight on how to improve my channel and also how to improve my content, all the content in my channel. And I got the data from Honings, and it's so the data is 10,000 top 1,000 YouTube channel, just to analyze all the top 1,000 YouTube channel based on different criteria that has been given. So I draw my insight from the data, and actually help me to give me insight on how to improve my channel. And I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to everyone that has been engaging on my channel so far. My channel hit 1,000 subscribers on November 28th. I want to appreciate everyone, appreciate your effort, engagement, appreciate all the likes, share, and the feedback that I've gotten from this channel. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. So now back to this channel, I will just talk briefly about this dashboard, this analysis. So like I said, is to analyze the dashboard. The data is 1,000 top 1,000 YouTube channel, and just analyze them based on various category. So I analyze them based on the total subscriber. We have about 22,000. That's approximately to 23 billion subscriber, and we have 10,000 views. Total, we have 990 YouTuber. Total country, about 50 country, based on category and also based on channel. We have the highest earning, total highest earning, and highest total monthly earning, and the yearly earning. Also, I did my analysis based on the population by country and category by upload. Also, I did top 5 subscribe country and yearly earning by highest yearly earning by country. You can see that USA and India topping the what's it called, the this particular category based on highest subscribe country and also highest earning country. And also here I did my filter by the top 10, top 10 highest earning YouTuber. So with KIMPRO topping this list. And then if you also filter by subscriber, you will see that T-Series has the highest subscriber with about 245 million subscriber. And the top for that subscriber, India is topping the list. If you filter by also upload, you can filter by different things based on what you want to do, but this category actually filter by the highest earning, which is KIMPRO. Also, you can filter by each of the year that you want to view, information of each of the year that you want to actually view. So we start this particular analysis now, and I'm going to show you this is the dashboard background that I use. Like you all know that I always design my dashboard from YouTube or from PowerPoint. This is just a simple dashboard background, making use of our shapes in in PowerPoint. So we start our analysis by bringing the data to this Power BI. So we get data, import data, this. So again, I want to show us another thing that I introduced here. So I introduced my scroller. I got scroller from the visual. I imported scroller, and I introduced it's called scroller. So I introduced scroller into this particular analysis, into this particular board. So I'm going to explain further as we move on in this tutorial. So I need to transform this particular data in Power Query Editor. You transform your data in Power Query Editor to check for different data type in order for us not to have error in our visualization. So I'm checking each of this now to check if all our data are in the right. Okay, there is an error here, so I just need to remove the error. Click here, right click and remove error. I just need to, okay, I don't want to replace this, I want to remove the error. So right click again or remove error. So now I can actually close and apply because all our data are in the right, or what's it called, right data type. So we start by bringing, the data is still loading. First I'm going to bring our dashboard background into this place. I already save it from PowerPoint. I save it, and next thing is to bring it to this place. So bringing my dashboard background, let's go to this, then browse through. Okay, let me just select all file, download this. So changing this to fit, then reduce the transparency. So I have the background here. So now the next thing is to start creating all this, our card, all the KPI, the key in the indicator performance, or key performance indicator. So I need to start creating all this card here, so and just show the visualization. So now the next thing is to bring one of the cards. So let me use the new card. Can use the new card or the old card. So now bring it here. Then I'm going to be total subscriber first. So we have total subscriber here. I'll just put it here. Then name me as total subscriber. So the next thing is to format it so that we use it for other. So call out value, I'm going to place this here, then use this, change this to about 25, then this, I'm going to change this to white, then the card, I'm going to remove this, then bring it here. Okay, so now I'm going to the labeling also, I'm going to change it, to this color. I think I was using this color. So now it's for me to format the value display unit. Let's check. So now, so we are good to go. Just change this here to have good. So now I'll just copy this and paste. Copy it again, paste. paste it here. So the next thing now that I want to put is, let me check our visual. So total views, so I'm just going to drop views here. Total, then change the header to total views. So this I'm going to change this to billion. Also change it there. So the next one, which is YouTuber total country, total YouTuber, so I'll just drop this here. So here I'm going to change it to count this thing so that it will count the number of YouTuber. Okay, so I don't know why it's changing. Let me check that. It's just for me to change the display unit here. So this one to total country, total country. Also use count this thing, and then I will just format this and place this here. So here I'm going to copy this. I still need more. Then that's, I'm going to add total category and also total channel. So you can actually add one or two category or one or two information into this new card. So I'm just going to change this to this. Then I'll change this to channel. So again, I need to format this to, just click that, then change the, I'll just change the, okay, we are good to go. So just make sure that everything is aligned. So now the next thing that I need to do is the total or highest earning monthly and also for yearly. So now I'm going to put highest monthly earning here. Then I need to go and format this. First, remove the background, then rename the title as highest monthly earning. So I'm going to change this to this, then decrease this, change it to this. So just format it to your taste, to what you want. That's what I mean. And then this, okay, I don't need anything there. So yeah, I'm just going to change this to white. I will need to change it. So for data label, I'm going to remove it. I don't need this. Target label, I don't need this. I'm not adding any targets. I just want to show this. I don't want to show it as a card. So now we can still increase this. Okay, let me just leave it as that. Then this, I will just copy it and put uh monthly, yearly earning. So this will now be yearly instead of monthly, the second one. So all I need to do here is to change the title. Highest yearly. So now we are good to go with that. So the next thing here, again, what else do we need here? Okay, the population by country and then category, these two place, before we do other thing. So now population by country, I'm going to use bar chart for that. So I'm going to use country on my y-axis, and then population, where is it, on my x-axis. So I need to format this, remove the background. So just write population by country. So here, again. So what else do we need to do? Remove the x-axis, then the y-axis. I only need to remove the title, then this. So what else? My bar, I want to change the bar to this. So data label, it on, then the value, and I will change the display unit. So let's change to million. Good. Change the color to black for it to become more visible. So what else do we need there? I think we are good to go here. So now I'll just copy this and put it here. So now here I'm just going to do category, put category here, category by, oh, let me see what I did. Category by upload, category by upload, this is upload. So change this. Again, go to formats and do some formatting there. That's category, that's the title, by upload. So for the data label, I need to change the display unit. Changing the display unit, I'm going to change this to, let's change it to million or thousand. Let's change to 1000. Okay, so we are good to go. Okay, so I need to add some card, bring it here. So now I'm going to put total population into this card. Total population. Then I'll format the card. So I will just copy and paste. Then go back and add total upload here. Remove this. So this, I'm just going to bring this here. Then these two, I'll just put it here. So now, okay, so I need to do something. Just format this place, add it. Then for population too, so now the next thing is to do this. Okay, top 5 subscribe country and yearly earning by country. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me just change the display unit of this to billion. Okay, so now copy this, then place it here. I'll change this to column charts. Then I'll add country here. Then I will add subscriber here. So now I want to do top 5, so I need to add my filter. So I'll just add filter here, open my filter pane. So I'm open display, then change this list to top 10. Then so I want to do top 5. Then I will add my subscriber here, apply filter. So now I know my top 5 or subscribe country. So go to my format pane and change the title top 5 or subscribe country. So now what else do we need to do here? Okay, my data label value, I need to just change the value. Okay, let's change it to, should I change it to million? Let's see, yes, million is okay. So again, I'll paste Okay, so I'm going to paste this here. Let me remove this, then do my another chart for yearly earning, highest yearly earning country. So I'm going to do, so that will be highest yearly earning country. So yearly earning will be here. So country will be here. Okay, it's still loading. My laptop is hanging. So now this is the yearly highest yearly earning country. So now the data label, I'm changing it, the value, changing it to million. Yeah, I'm changing it to million. Again, what test do we need to do here? I think that's all here. That's all. Okay, so now I want to change this yearly any, and I want to change them to currency. Just click that, click on it on the data pane. Oh, an error occur. So now let's just leave it. We'll work on that. Okay, it has changed. So here also I'm going to change this to this. Just align your charts. Okay, so you can just scroll to check further. So that's all I did there. So now the next thing is to do our table, design our table, which is the last thing we are doing here. So I'm going to bring the table here, so the first thing, YouTuber, add YouTuber here, then total subscriber. What else am I adding? What else? Let me check. Total subscriber, country, upload views, country, uploads, video views. I think highest monthly earning and yearly earning. So highest monthly earning and highest yearly earning. So now what we need to do is to just align it first. So now I need to rename all this. I don't want to see some of subscriber, then upload. I will just write upload here, upload here. So here I will rename this as video views, video views. So here will be highest monthly earning. this will be, so I'll copy this, paste it here. So this, I'll just rename this as highest yearly, monthly, or any. So now we are good to go. Now it's time to format our card. Yes, so here I'll come here, first remove the background, then go back to the visual. This I want to use it as border header. My this I'm using it as border header. So now for grid, I'm going to change this to black on the vertical grid line too, and also change it to black. So now the column header, so I'm going to change it to, just format it to use my home front that I want. So now what's the next thing? The value, I'm going to change it to the front I want. Then also I'll also bold it. So now the total color, I don't need it. I don't need the total color. So specific column, so I will just do this specific column as I want. So this, I'm changing it to this. Okay, so now click on country column again, then align it. Click on upload each of the column, just make sure that everything is aligned to what you want. So this is what I want also. I align that, this aligned, this also aligned, then what else? So now, okay, so now this actually show the top 10 country. That's what I show. So I need to do my filter also. Come right here, do my, click on the basic filtering, then top 10, then put top 10 here. Then I want to show the top 10. I want to filter by top 10 highest earning. That's what I want to, yearly earning. That's what I'm filtering by. So now I filter by that. So it's giving me my top 10 yearly earning now. So now what else do I need to do here? I think the border, I need to do some things to the border. Let me go back here. Specific column. Let me check where to see the border. Okay, not here. I think it's there. See here. Oh, I'm not seeing the border. So the border is at the grid. Then click here. Then I want to add border to everything. So I'll just check everything, check all the box. Oh, my laptop is hanging. Add border. So I will just increase the width. Just make sure that everything is aligned here. Good. So I'm loving this now. So just make sure that your card is your table is aligned. So now the next thing that I need to do is to bring my scroller. So the scroller is not here, so I have to go to get more visual. Make sure you are silent to your what's the called Power BI to be able to get visual. So like I said, I have a video on how to actually get a free Power BI account with your Gmail. So you can watch that on my channel. I'm going to put the video also to this description. So click here, go to import. Oh, okay, get more visual. Just click on get more visual. So I already signed into my Power BI account, so it will take me to where to get more visual there, and I'm going to get it from the import it from there. So here I'm just going to click on search scroller. So this is the scroller. I'll just click on it and also just add it to my visual, and I'm going to be viewing it from the visualization pane. So here I'm just going to add, click on add. Once you click on add, it will be added to our visualization, to my visualization pane here. So now it's still loading. So you can see now that import was successful. So now click OK. Then I'm going to click this, click it. Then I will just align it to what I want to use here. Align it. So I will align it. Then bring it down to this place. So now I want to do my visualization based on YouTuber by the last 30 days that has been viewed and subscribed. So that's what I'm going to do. So add YouTube. Click on YouTube here. Add YouTube. Then based on category. Okay, so I'm going to add on a what's it called? Video view. Oh sorry, that's subscriber in the last 30 days, and also video views in the last 30 days. So you can see now. So now time for me to format that. So that's what I added. So now I'll just format this. Okay, format the scroller. What do I need there? Okay, the title. So I'll just do this right. So I'll just say subscriber and views for last 30 days. So that's all. Change this. I'm going to change this to this. Then decrease the front. So then remove the background. So we are good to go. So the scroller speed, I'm going to reduce this to 1. So let's check. So just
Do you
reduce
know
this
what's
to
hiding
1.
in your business's data? Companies of all sizes use big.
So I'll just, so you can increase the front side and decrease the front side. So that's all about this YouTube or analysis dashboard. So I hope you've learned new things or on how to do new thing on Power BI. And please give me your feedback, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for subscribing so far. Thanks for engaging on my channel. I really appreciate. Subscribe, share, and also likes and comments. I need your subscribe or subscription on my channel. Please help me to share to those that are interested in this channel, and those that this channel will also benefit. Thanks for subscribing always. So just make sure that you align your charts, and from this analysis I hope you have learned or different thing. So you can see that from this analysis we can actually check the highest or YouTuber, the highest or any YouTuber, and also highest subscriber, the country with the population by country, total upload, YouTuber with the highest upload, and also with the highest view. We can check that, and top 5 subscribe country. So that's all about this dashboard. Thanks and have a good day.